Hello everyone, Damazar from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this a small video about the news, how you trade the news. You all know that we have economic calendar, right? Schedule for the whole week at a time, where we have the news is scheduled for each currency, right? And today was something about Euro Zone Conference and Euro News, Red News, right? One was at 7:45, and the other one. Let me just get this from here, and I'll show it to you. Okay, okay. This is my Telegram here, right? And as you can see that I posted here, the Euro Red News at 7:45 and then 8:30. This is what I got from Economic Calendar. And then I said right here, and it was 7 o'clock, 7:20 in the morning today. The market is waiting for the news, and market was like the whole day before was completely slow, very slow, not moving, lack of volume. But then this is what the market was waiting for, right? And after the news, this is how you use. After the news, at the time of the news, if you try to trade, very, very dangerous, because no one knows that what kind of news is this and then how to interpret, unless sometimes it's very, very clear, but a lot of times it's not clear, especially like a conference kind of thing, that when with people talking, then you have to interpret what they are saying. What do they mean, right? Is it good for economy? Is it bad for economy? Is it good for currency or bad for currency? So you have to understand it, and it takes few time. I mean, like a little bit of time, few minutes, right? So now here, market is waiting for the news. That's what I said, that when, and it's again 7:20, and then news was at 7:45, and then the conference was 8:30, right? So you'll see the reaction after that. 7:45, yeah, around 8:30, 8:15, you will see something moving, euro index or euro pairs, right? And then later on, maybe at 8:30, and after that, again, that more volume will come, right? So then I said euro index is going up, because I saw the euro index. This is what the euro index 20-minute chart is. Let me put this thing down here, and then let me show you first here something. Euro index is going up, and I said that EA, EU, and EJ will go up. These three pairs we are watching, and me and my group, and my group, they can watch whatever, but these are the three euro pair I watch and trade, especially EURUSD is my favorite. EURUSD, USD, and Euro yen, yes, and sometimes some other, maybe EuroCAD, but EuroCAD is messed up nowadays. So these are the three. So I said these three will go up, right? Then I said here, this 2901 is hard to break. Anyone has a slash hammer, means euro start to go euro. This is euro. This is euro yen. Where is euro? Hold on. All right. So this is euro index 20-minute chart, and this is where we were when the news came out. It went up and hit the 2901, and then start dropping, and that's what I said, that it's very hard to break, and because this is what happened before, right? So we went up there, hit, and then drop all the way down here. So I was scared that it might happen, but here the trend line, and it start to go up, and that's where I said that these three pairs will go up, because the euro start to get strong. When euro index going up, euro start to get strong. So then these three pairs supposed to go up, and I was ready, and I told everyone that that's gonna happen. And then let me show you what really happened. This is euro USD. Now on euro USD, it was nicely trending already, and I had my entry yesterday. This one. This is the entry on the 3rd. But it didn't move much, right? It went up, down, up, down. I said, okay, I'm gonna hold it and see what happened. And today, this is what happened around the news. So I says, well, it's going up. Euro is getting strong. Now it's gonna go up. Entry, and I made an entry here. This is the second entry. So the first entry came out with 125 pip. Second entry came out with 95 pip. The other pair I said that is gonna go up was Euro Aussie and Euro Yen. Here's my euro yen. The entry, nice entry here. And look at this pair, 160 pip. The other pair I said was euro Aussie. Euro Aussie. Now on euro Aussie, again, it got messed up a little bit here, right? But it was nicely traveling to the upside, holding above this line here, or it's a red line, and I have my my setup, my reason, and this is another level I forgot to write down. It's a very powerful level, 63.37. So it is well, a kind of holding above it, and as soon as the euro news helped, and it went up as well, and 100 pips so far. And the time is bad now, it's 2 p.m., so I close everything, and this is how it is. So I said these three pairs will go up. They went up, and my system, which is like Magic IB system, it gave me all these three nice beautiful setups. And 100 here, euro yen, 160, and euro USD. If you take only this one, 95. So 100, 100, and 160. That's 360 pip today, based on that euro news, euro red news. Okay, that's how you get it. So let me show you the news if I can. Here you see the calendar, and it is down here. See this 830 CAD, and then see here 745 euro main rate, right? And financing rate, and then here the monetary policy. This is what at 7:45 a.m. And then fuel on the fire was this ESB. Lagarde was speaking, ESB, ECB conference, and it really helped euro getting strong and going to the upside. Where do I get all these numbers from? This is 2901 and 2817, how nicely it bounced from here, and it dropped here to 2733. This is where these numbers are. 2986, they are facing that number here, right? We bounced, we broke above it, came back, support, and bounced. This is how nicely and exactly, precisely market moves between these numbers. And 2901 is right there, and 2817 is right there. Look at how powerful this move is, and then it's keep going to the upside. The next number, I will have to make a new chart, and then maybe 33, but this 33 is just too far, so it has to be some other numbers like 3026 is, we are at 3026, 3053. And basically, if you look at it, let me see the monthly chart. If it is 3084, okay, it is going for 3084 now, right? So everything will be continuing going to the upside, and probably tomorrow as well here. And then after that, 3221 is the one, probably will be the target. All right, so this is where it's going to stop maybe, and then later on drop again. But this is my monthly chart, euro index. I've been tracking this. So this is how you trade the news. You do not trade at the time of the news. It's very dangerous. The price usually goes up and down and up and down, right? But you wait for like 5-10 minutes, and then you have to have a setup. You have to have a setup, some kind of system, right? Which you follow. I use this system, Magic IB system. You may have better than this, something better than this. So follow that system, and then make sure that the price is starting to move in some kind of direction, up or down, right? And make sure that the level, these weeklies and monthly highs and lows are very, very, very important. Look how nicely the price regard these numbers precisely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Right? So, and now look, see, we broke above it and came back, testing it, and found support, now bouncing. So this is what it's really all about. So just wanted to show you guys that this is how you can use this system. It's just a little bit of learning. That's all. If you don't learn something, that it is impossible, right? Well, once you learn, what's between knowing and not knowing is makes the big difference. Success and failure. If you do not know something, that it's very difficult. It's impossible. Once you know it, it becomes piece of cake, right? So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, go on my website. If you want to get a hold of the system and want to trade or learn to trade like this, go on my website, subscribe, be a part of it, and start trading, like this. Right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the week, which is only one more day.